Hiccups, those sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm we all experience, turned into a nearly 7-decade ordeal for Charles Osborne. Imagine, starting in 1922, Osborne hiccuped up to 40 times per minute at his peak, slowing down to 20 as years passed. That's over 430 million hiccups. Despite this, he led a relatively normal life, even marrying twice and fathering 8 children. His peculiar condition, which ceased only a year before his death in 1991, remains a baffling phenomenon in medical history, earning him a spot in the Guinness World Records for the longest bout of hiccups ever recorded.